So let's go over deleting lines and surfaces in SketchUp. There are a couple of ways we can do this. One is while we are in our select tool, I can select lines, hit delete on my keyboard, and it will delete the line and any surface connected with it. Here I can select surfaces and delete those. I can also select multiple surfaces by holding down Shift, and then I can delete those at the same time. And then here, just by selecting and hitting delete on my keyboard, I can remove those. So let me Control Z, undo all that. And let me use my eraser tool. With the eraser tool, I can select intersections and it will delete all the lines and surfaces in that intersection. Let me Control Z, undo that. And one other way we can erase objects is with the eraser tool, hold down left click and drag, and anything it will come in contact with, once I release the button, will be deleted. So there you have some quick ways of deleting objects in your model.